In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a current position on LinkedIn. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Changing a position on your LinkedIn profile is a simple process that can help keep your professional information current and relevant. So let's get started. First, you need to log into LinkedIn. To do this, open your web browser and navigate to linkedin.com. Once you're on the web page, sign in using your email address, or you can choose to log in with your Google or Microsoft account if that's easier for you. After logging in, the next step is to go to your profile. To find your profile, look for your avatar picture in the upper right corner of the home page. Click on this Me icon, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select View Profile. Clicking on this will take you straight to your LinkedIn profile, where all your information is displayed. Now, let's locate the Experience section. You will need to scroll down your profile page until you reach this section. The Experience area showcases all your current and past roles, which makes it easy for you to see what needs to be updated. Once you've found the Experience section, it's time to edit your position. Look for the specific job you want to update, and you'll notice a small pencil icon, often referred to as the Edit icon, next to it. Click on this pencil icon, which will open a pop-up window allowing you to make changes. Now you're in the pop-up window where you can update several important details. Here, you can modify your job title to reflect your current responsibilities. If the company name has changed or you've moved to a different company, this is where you would update that information as well. Make sure to correct the location if necessary. Also, don't forget to adjust the employment dates to accurately represent your timeline. Additionally, this is an excellent time to give a clear description of your roles and responsibilities. Providing a concise yet comprehensive summary can enhance your profile and make it more attractive to recruiters or connections in your field. Before you finalize your changes, take a moment to confirm your current employment status. If you're still employed in this role, ensure that the box labeled "I am currently working in this role" is checked. This step is crucial as it keeps your employment status accurate and up to date. Once you've gone through all the necessary updates and are satisfied with the information, you can safely save your changes. Look for the Save button at the bottom of the pop-up window and click it to finalize the updates to your profile. And there you have it. You've successfully changed a current position on LinkedIn. Remember to review your profile periodically to keep it fresh and reflective of your career journey. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips.